Aren't we happy to be alive today? I'm happy, and you should be happy also. Life is the greatest gift to men. So this morning I'm doing my walk as usual, and I am seeing results, so it's even more motivating to do the walk. Very important. I'm pushing this walk thing. And I walk in the park. And when I'm not in the park, I'm walking on the treadmill. So I'm feeling lighter. I've not lost much weight. I've lost about 3 pounds, but it's all good. I'm feeling better. I'm really feeling better. 1.5 hours, 4 times per week. It's great. So this 4th of July morning, I am at it again. I am at it again. Walking in the park. That's the sun. Oops. Capture the sun there. Good morning. Good morning. I'm doing my routine walk. We are happy to be alive. I am happy. So, as I was saying, I started this walk about 2 weeks ago, and I've lost weight. And I'm feeling better. I'm feeling lighter. So, I'm seeing results. I'm feeling, I'm seeing, and therefore I will continue with this walk. 1.5 hours, 4 times. So I do 1.5 hours, 4 times per week. When I'm at work, I will walk the treadmill for about half an hour. So we all need to get up and walk, because it works. It really works. It works like a charm. Yes, it works. So people can join me in my walk. Let us all do it together. Let us all do it together. So I walk in the park. It's fun. It is really fun to be walking. Good morning. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining this live with me. Happy for your company. So there in the park they have equipment. That's a bike. Can't explain what the others are for upper body strength or something of that sort. So there it is. Yeah, I prefer to walk than be in a gym working out. I just love walking. I enjoy walking. Good morning. Hi, how are you doing? Good morning. How are you? I'm good. I'm actually good. I was just saying that um, I'm seeing results with my regular walk, park walking. So I was just telling persons that it's good to walk. Just do some walk. Walk, walk, walk. Yeah, exactly. Walking is good for your health because it helps to decrease the cholesterol. It helps to decrease blood pressure. It helps with the circulatory system. It helps to decrease blood sugar. Very good for those persons who are, I've seen it. So those persons who are diabetic, they they need to exercise. Just get up and do something. They need to exercise because it works like a charm. And if you're pre-diabetic, don't allow it to get to the diabetes stage. Just start walking, cut back on all those carbs and all those sugar and all those sweets. So you cut back on all of those things. And if you're given medication, you take it. Sometimes when you're pre-diabetic, you're really not given any meds. But you can do it. You can do it. Once you don't allow yourself, diabetes is a dangerous disease because the eyes, the kidney, the nerves, all of those things are affected. You don't want to get blind, and honestly, you don't want to get kidney problem. I am telling you, that kidney disease, it's a beast. So you don't want to get that where you're gonna end up going on dialysis. Um, Sometimes you're so weak and tired, it affects your work. So you can't drink as much as you want. That kidney disease is just something that I really we need to once we hear anything that says pre-diabetic, take control immediately. Just jump on it and start. Actually, we really should be cognizant of what we eat before we actually even get to that stage. Because a lot of these diseases is really what we eat. The salt, the sugar, the fat, the ham, the bacon, the fried chicken, the burger, the sausage, all of those things pack on these conditions on us. And for those of us who are getting older, it will get worse. So we don't want to, as young people, we don't want to get to that stage. You try to prevent that so that when you get to 40, 50, 60, and all the systems start slowing down, because naturally that will happen. So your systems start to slow down and it cannot work as effective as it should. You don't want to put on all that strain on it so that the insulin not pushing out enough as you're eating. And so the sugar is just there circulating in the blood. The heart is not pumping out the blood as it should. And so the rest of organs are being denied of nutrients and all these things. So hi, this is siblings. How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, so we're on some healthy topic today because a lot of persons who are ill really is what we eat. What we eat and not moving. Not moving because we just sit in front of the television with the remote and we don't get up and exercise. We need to keep moving. Move at least 30 minutes per day. Do some walk. As I was saying, that I've seen results. And because of that, I am pushing this walk thing because it works. It really do. So I'm trying, I do a hour and a half every 4 times per day. And this is like about 2 weeks since I start. 4 times, I know. No matter how I get up and I say I don't want to, I'm feeling tired. I said, no, you have to. Because you have to do it for your health. A lot of us have young children. So we have to be there for our children. We don't want to be ill so that we can't help them. We can't work to help them. We can't help them financially, physically, neither emotionally. So we have to get up and move. Just move. Take the weight off if we are fat. Get that weight down. And don't let it escalate. Don't let the weight get out of hand. Because the minute it gets out of hand, we cannot. It's hard for us to get it off. And we have to start with our mind. We have to program the mind and say, yes, I have to. Don't even say that I'm going to, but I have to do it. This is a must. This is going to benefit me. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Because how can you work if you're not healthy? Health is wealth. Morning. Good morning. I'm on my walk and showing all the scenery. Look at it. Look at this park. It is so beautiful. Very beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful. all the way over there. Woo! I love it. I love the sun. I like that. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. It's very quiet this morning. Uh-uh. I like this. See if I can get a picture.